Dear children, let us start the next topic, microbes in industrial products. Microbes are also used in synthesizing many industrial products like beverages, antibiotics, chemicals, enzymes, bioactive molecules. For synthesizing different industrial products like beverages, antibiotics, chemicals, enzymes and bioactive molecules, microbes are useful. These microbes are grown in very large vessels in industries. For growing these microbes, for preparing all these industrial products, they use very large vessels. These vessels are known as fermenters. In your NCERT book, it is given. The image of the fermenters is given in page number 182. This is the image of fermenters. This is the whole image of the whole fermentation plant in which beverages are manufactured. These fermented beverages are of different types. Different beverages are synthesized, are manufactured, or prepared with the help of the microbe yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae. This microbe already we studied. This microbe is used for preparing bread. And this yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae is also known as brewer's yeast. Different beverages like wine, beer, whiskey, brandy and rum. All these beverages are prepared with the help of the Saccharomyces cerevisiae. And ethanol is also prepared from fermenting malted cereals and fruit juices. Ethanol is prepared from malted cereals and fruit juices. This on the basis of the raw material used and also the process that is used, beverages are of different types. Different beverages like whiskey, brandy and rum are prepared by using distillation method. What is distillation? Already you studied in your lower classes. We heat the liquid and the steam that comes out of the liquid, vapor that comes out of the liquid is cooled down and we get a pure liquid. That is the process of distillation. When we cool the vapor, we get the pure liquid. Here whiskey, brandy and rum are synthesized by using the process distillation. Here other beverages like wine and beer are prepared without distillation method. Okay, for preparing beverages, microbes are used. And then next, microbes are also used in synthesizing or in producing antibiotics. You know what are antibiotics? Antibiotics are chemicals used to kill bacteria. Antibiotics are chemicals produced by some microbes and they can kill or retard the growth of other disease-causing microbes. The chemicals that are produced by some microbes and they kill or retard the growth of other harmful microbes are called antibiotics. What is the meaning of antibiotics? Anti means against. Anti means against. Bio means life. Life it represents bacteria. These antibiotics are against bacteria. They kill the bacteria. So they are known as antibiotics. The famous antibiotics, do you know? Yes, you know, I know. There is penicillin. Penicillin is the famous antibiotic. This antibiotic was synthesized or discovered accidentally by the scientist Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming, he was growing Staphylococci bacteria in his laboratory, and he used so many not washed properly, and in that plate the Staphylococcus bacteria could not grow. Then he found out that some chemical that is released from the fungus, it retarded the growth of the bacteria, and he named that chemical as penicillin, because that penicillin is released from the fungus, Penicillium notatum. And after Alexander Fleming, two more scientists, Ernest Chain and Howard Florey, these two scientists, they used this penicillin to treat the wounded soldiers in World War II in America. And so they used this penicillin for curing the wounds. For this discovery of penicillin, Alexander Fleming, Ernst Chain, Howard Florey, all the three scientists were awarded Nobel Prize in the year 1945 for the discovery of penicillin. Other diseases like plague, whooping cough, diphtheria and leprosy were also cured by antibiotics, or also we are using antibiotics to cure all these diseases also. And then other products like chemicals, enzymes, bioactive molecules are also prepared by microorganisms. Different organic acids, alcohols, and then enzymes, bioactive molecules are synthesized by using microorganisms. What are the different organic acids that are synthesized by microbes? Different organic acids like citric acid, acetic acid, butyric acid, and lactic acid all are synthesized by using different microorganisms. This acetic acid, butyric acid, and lactic acid are synthesized by using bacteria, and the citric acid is synthesized by using a fungus, by fungus Aspergillus niger. Acetic acid is synthesized by using Acetobacter aceti. Butyric acid is synthesized by Clostridium botulicum. Lactic acid is synthesized by Lactobacillus. All these acids and the microorganisms you have to memorize. Ethanol is synthesized, prepared with the help of yeast. Already you studied, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. So, different organic acids are synthesized by using microorganisms. And then next, different enzymes are also produced by different microorganisms. Enzymes like lipases, pectinases, proteases, streptokinase. All these enzymes are synthesized with the help of microbes. We will study one by one. First, lipases. These lipases are used in detergents to remove oily stains, and these lipases are produced or lipases are synthesized by using microbes. Another enzyme, pectinase and proteases, are also prepared from microbes, and these pectinases and proteases are used to clear the juices. When we prepare fruit juices in our house, that juice will be turbid, but when we purchase bottled juices, the juices are clear. To clear the turbidness of juices, we use pectinase and protease enzymes. These enzymes are produced from microorganisms. One more enzyme, streptokinase. Streptokinase is also prepared from a microbe, Bacterium streptococcus. This streptokinase is prepared from the bacterium Streptococcus and it is used as a clot buster. Clots in the blood vessels are broken down by using the enzyme streptokinase. Patients who undergone myocardial infarction that leads to heart attack are given streptokinase to break or to burst the clots present in the blood vessels. So, enzymes like lipases, pectinases, proteases, streptokinase are used. All these enzymes are prepared from microorganisms. Next, bioactive molecules. Bioactive molecules like cyclosporin A and statin. These two are prepared from two different microbes. The cyclosporin A is used as an immunosuppressive agent. This immunosuppressive agent, that cyclosporin A, is given to patients who have undergone organ transplantation. Our immune system, it won't accept even a dust particle or even a small microbe from outside. But will it accept an organ from another person? No, not at all. It won't accept. The new organ cannot function in our body because of our immune system. Because immune system will not allow other organs, other person's organ to function in our body. So they give cyclosporin A to suppress our immune system. Then only the transplanted organ can function properly inside our body. This cyclosporin A is synthesized from Trichoderma polysporum on fungus. Next bioactive molecule is statin. This statin is used to lower the blood cholesterol. And this statin is synthesized from Monascus purpureus and yeast. Monascus purpureus. And it is used to lower the amount of cholesterol in our blood. How does it reduce the amount of cholesterol in our blood? It inhibits this statin. It inhibits the action of enzyme that is responsible for the synthesis of cholesterol in our body. Thereby, it reduces the synthesis of cholesterol in our body and the amount of cholesterol is reduced in our body by the bioactive molecule statin. So, different bioactive molecules like cyclosporin A and statin are manufactured by using microbes Trichoderma and Monascus respectively. Now, we have studied microbes in household products and in industrial products. Very easy and interesting topics. I have sent one video already. Go through that video also and this video also 1 or 2 times and then learn from your NCERT book. And your homework is to write answers for the questions 1 to 6 that is given in the book back exercises. 1 to 6. You write answers in your homework notebook. Okay. Shall we discuss the questions that are given in the book back exercises? Question number 1. All of you take your NCERT book. Look at page number 189. Question number 1. Bacteria cannot be seen with the naked eyes, but these can be seen with the help of a microscope. If you have to carry out a sample from your home to your biology laboratory to demonstrate the presence of microbes under a microscope, which sample would you carry and why? Which sample will you carry? Yes? Curd. Next one. Give examples to prove that microbes release gases during metabolism. Gases. Carbon dioxide is released during idli and dosa, preparing idli and dosa dough and also in preparing bread. Third question. In which food would you find lactic acid bacteria? In which food we find lactic acid bacteria? in curd. Mention some of their useful applications. Their useful applications are curd contains more B12, vitamin B12, and also it check the growth of other harmful microbes. Name some traditional Indian foods made of wheat. Made of wheat, bread. Made of rice, idli. And then Bengal gram, that is dokla. Dokla is a food made from the Bengal gram. And then fifth question, in which way have microbes played a major role in controlling diseases caused by harmful bacteria? You have to write about antibiotics. Last question, name any two species of fungus which are used in production of the antibiotics. Two fungus, Penicillium notatum, and one more, it is not given in your book, note down, Aspergillus fumigatus. Aspergillus fumigatus. That's all for today. Learn for test. You will receive questions, and then before that go through the NCERT book and also view the 2 videos and then prepare for test. Thank you, students.